Welcome to the garden section of Dollar Tree. I have tons of outdoor hacks today. I think you're gonna love it. From mosquitoes to weeds in your yard, this is a natural product that kills mosquitoes for good. I've tested these out. Over the past several years, all of these actually work.
These are the cheap, dollar store, or just really unexpected tricks to make your yard feel rich. Just trust, they work. And first up, we're tackling mosquitoes and eliminating them so your house feels like a resort.
Is this video already making you itch? I have skeeter syndrome. It's horrifying. Please don't look it up. But I react super big to mosquitoes. This organic trick actually works, and you don't even have to be super handy. This costs about $2 plus a bucket. You can get these at the dollar store or the hardware store. If you have a pet, you might want to get a lid, and I'm going to drill a couple of holes in this.
We're going to outsmart the mosquitoes without having to spray our backyard.
This is just protection from pets. Now we're going to fill this up about halfway with water and organic material.
This is the perfect mosquito bait.
Then you're going to take one of these mosquito dunks and you're going to put it in.
And that's it. The dunk dissolves and prevents mosquitoes' larvae from actually hatching. So they want to lay their eggs in here, and that larva is never going to hatch. You are stopping mosquitoes at the source. We've used this for over a year, and I happened to be telling my friend about it, and she was like, no way, Catherine, does this actually work? You need to make a video about this for your channel. I was like, yeah, girl, this saved our yard for the last year, and I'll absolutely make it for you to show my viewers. If I can prevent other people from getting mosquito bites like me, oh my gosh, I feel like I've done the good deed of the summer. And I feel like our yard is a good testament to something actually working, because we have a lot of things that attract mosquitoes. At less than $2 a piece, these are absolutely worth it. And again, we've used this for a long time in our yard. Everything that I share will be linked on the screen just for you. And maybe you've been in Dollar Tree and you spotted these handheld bug zappers for $5 and thought to yourself, do I need this? How does it work? Held it for a second and maybe you put it back. I will say you can find these on Amazon for $10 and they are very well reviewed. So is the Dollar Tree one, and at only $5, this rings in at a great deal. They're battery operated, turn it on and it will catch mosquitoes, wasps, hornets, and yes, even flies right inside the mesh. Wave this around like a tennis racket. Bugs, pesky mosquitoes are zapped to their death. You can see one stuck in here after just a couple of waves. And when it comes to bugs, I would be remiss if I did not mention this tabletop fan. It's battery operated, and any event that you're hosting, turn this on and it will keep all fruit flies and flies away from your food. I recently saw this at tons of events around our neighborhood. I love that these are so common now and they are super affordable. I'll be sure to link them for you. These are my top bug products, okay? Like, I am revealing all my secrets, and I have to share a viewer secret with you that's a little unconventional if you're dealing not only with bugs, but with critters. She said she took these Bowl Fresh $1.50 toilet bowl cleaners, and she put them on the outside of some of her plants because critters were eating her bulbs. She said it worked like a charm and shared this photo. I have so many amazing hacks just like these coming up, lots of them from the Dollar Tree. If you like a good deal, though, you have to hear about this.
I'm obsessed with a good hack and a good deal, which is why I'm so thankful today's video is brought to you by Whatnot. Whatnot is a #1 app for a reason. Whatever you're into, you can find it on Whatnot. These are LuluLemon leggings I got on Whatnot for literally $20.
From my Ralph Lauren hat to my LuluLemon clothes, everything I got was from Whatnot.
Think of Whatnot as a live streaming app meets auctions meets social media. I like to connect with some of my favorite creators that sell vintage home decor and also name brand clothes.
Especially for the summer when it comes to athleisure, all of my Spanx come from Whatnot. I did a live auction of Halara items that were so affordable, I was so excited about.
This was $5 and this was $10.
The number of name brands is actually insane. I'll be sure to link my favorite sellers below. Whether you're looking for something for your back patio or something for you to wear, you can probably find it and bid on it on Whatnot.
Click my QR code for $15 free on Whatnot, literally to spend right now. That would make something like these adorable Halara pants totally free. Plus, there's a $500 giveaway. Be sure to follow me on Whatnot. Do it on a dime and you'll be automatically entered. Whatnot is the hack of the summer. I'm telling you what, I cannot wait to hear what you find on there.
This next trick is magical for killing weeds pretty much anywhere in your yard.
This is cheaper than Amazon. It's cheaper than Lowe's, cheaper than Home Depot. Girl, I'm about to hook you up.
These spray bottles are $5. And I'm going to teach you how to make a DIY weed spray. And no, this is not just your standard vinegar, okay?
It works super well. I have done it for years. I'm more into home decor than I am home maintenance, but this is so easy, even I can do it. This is from Dollar Tree. It is a sprayer in the summer section as well as the soap. I'm going to link this on screen for you because it is the secret. This is vinegar, but it is 30% vinegar. This stuff is strong and is what naturally kills your weeds. Plus, it's pet safe. Hi, Copper. Okay. Well, I think you ruined that shot. It's okay because it's pet safe.
Concentrated vinegar and dish soap, okay? This is the do it on a dime hack. If you try nothing else, please try this.
So I'm just gonna give this a few pumps to get some pressure in here, and you can spray this on any grass growing in cracks, any weeds. Just make sure to leave at least 24 hours between application and the next rain.
That's gonna give it time to do its magic. And I know you're sitting there like, cool, Catherine, love this idea, but I wanna see real life results. Well, don't you worry, I've got you. I sprayed grass where it shouldn't be growing, and the next day, here is what it looked like. Because this is high concentrated vinegar, and the soap is going to help it stay on the leaves, it does such a great job. Please try this trick. Now, while you can't get high concentrated vinegar at Dollar Tree, I'll be sure to link it on screen because it's really affordable from the hardware store. I'm really trying to bring you ideas that, like, when I see it at Dollar Tree, I'm gonna tell you it's a good deal. And if it's a better deal at the hardware store, I'm gonna tell you that too.
Dollar Tree also got brand new stomp stones in. These are cheaper than the hardware store. They're $3 each. They come in a black, they come in a gray. I got a couple of these. I'm excited to try them out. This is a brand new super cool product. They have these water wands. These are very expensive. I'm gonna test this out and I'm gonna let you know if it works.
Here's another Dollar Tree product that, if it works, is a hero because these are $20 on Amazon. We've got to talk about hoses for a second. If you have dirty hoses, kinked hoses, or you just don't want to spend a lot, these tricks are so good. I took a Dollar Tree bucket. This is just a planter. I drilled some holes in the bottom and I put my expanding hose inside. I could hide it in the corner on one of these stomp stones. It's the perfect stabilizer. Y'all, I was impressed with this sprayer. It has so many different settings, from showers, bucket fillers, power washers. This $5 product worked as good as the $20 products. And I love my expanding hoses. These shrink down nice and small. They're super lightweight and I never have to deal with a kinked hose again. I will be sure to link an expanding hose below. Combine it with this Dollar Tree sprayer, a Dollar Tree bucket to store it in. Here it is, power washing the side of my house. I have been using this for weeks and knew I had to tell you about it. Water and wind are what keep my porch clean, and I love my handheld blower. Now, this is from Amazon, but you can hold it in one hand, it's lightweight, and I do not sweep at all. I wash things down and then I can blow out things every day. This keeps my porch very clean without any extra work. Like, this is a game changer for the summer. I know it's not from Dollar Tree, but it's 40% off right now, so I knew I had to share it. Up next, we're talking all things fire and where to save, and a weird hack you may not know about.
The tiki torches here are an incredible deal. Bamboo is having a moment right now. Oh my goodness, look at this. Is this my opportunity to talk about my love of Mahjong? Because I do love Mahjong. Does anyone else play Mahjong? Do you want a video on how to play it? No. I could do a video on like affordable Mahjong, but like I love Mahjong.
I think pretty niche.
Is it too niche? Mahjong is niche? Is it niche?
The tiki torches and the tiki torch fuel at Dollar Tree are excellent deals. The citronella is going to also help repel mosquitoes, by the way, but not only that, they give such a chinoiserie and really cool, elegant charm to your backyard. I told you I would point out the places to save at the hardware store. Lowe's is selling table torches for almost $9. You can get literally the exact same thing at Dollar Tree right now for $3. And again, you can combine this with the tiki torch fuel. Pour some of this inside. These are great to repel mosquitoes. They also give some beautiful ambient light on your back porch. I have to know in the comments if you know this easy trick. When I'm in Dollar Tree, I grab 70% rubbing alcohol. And I love mini tabletop fire pits that you can use with rubbing alcohol. You just pour a couple of inches in the bottom, light it, and you have an instant fire pit. I love these because they're so easy to start, no wood required, and they're perfect for small spaces. I'll be sure to link some of my favorite affordable mini fire pits down below. Now, maybe you don't like something mini, you want something big. If you like the big fire, you're gonna love this next trick. I grabbed some Dollar Tree muffin liners and muffin tins. You also want to save your dryer lint. And then you can go outside and grab little things left over in your pantry, from twigs, sticks, leaves. I put some dried oranges in here and some old, like very old cinnamon sticks, and just set them on top of the dryer lint in your muffin tins. Then I poured a little bit of paraffin wax from an old candle over top. This is great because you can just use things that you already have around your house. And now you have mini fire starters. These make such a beautiful hostess gift, and I had to show you how they actually work. I didn't want to put this in a fire pit because I wanted you to see it burn. These do an incredible job, and I just think they're so beautiful too. Like taking this to a fire pit night, giving these to a friend. Here you can see how well these hold the flame. They are so wonderful for your next party. So whether you like something small and sweet for a fire pit that's gaslit, or a big fire, or just simple ideas, be sure to check out Whatnot for your next garden party, or maybe items to wear as you're outside. Get your free $15 and enter that $500 giveaway.
If you enjoyed this video, show it some love, my beautiful friend. If nobody has told you today, you are enough. I'll catch you soon.